Now, if you go to this blog post index page and take a look at the post categories, you will find that most of them say general. And when you go to this other index page, you will find that all the posts say uncategorized. But then if you go to this other page, you will find that the blog posts are properly organized into 4 categories: marketing, copywriting, self-development, and making money online. Surely this last page is a better presentation than the previous 2 pages. But are post categories necessary? If they are, how do you add them to your blog? Hi, I'm Chuks from The Manager, and in this video you will learn exactly how you can add relevant categories to your WordPress blog and organize your posts accordingly. Keep watching. Post categories help group related posts and make it easy for your audience to access all the posts in your blog that are under their topic of interest. You add a post to a category while prepping it for publication in the post edit page. You can see that this post is uncategorized because it hasn't been assigned a relevant category. If you look here, you will see that we have only one category option, which is uncategorized, and this video is about adding more options. Most WordPress themes come with either a general category or uncategorized, as we saw earlier. Therefore, you will need to add new categories relevant to your niche. To do this, you go to the Posts tab in your WordPress dashboard and select the Categories option. This opens the form field for adding categories. On the right side, you can see existing categories. And on the left side, you find a form. You add a category simply by filling in the name field and other fields in this form. After filling the form, hit Add Category. You will immediately observe that the category has been added. Let's add 2 more categories. Hit the Add New Category, and here your new category is added. Now, when you go over to the post edit page and refresh, you'll find that we now have additional categories in the categories section. We can now assign our post to a category. Let's pick domain name. Note that every post in your blog must be categorized. If you don't do it deliberately, it will automatically be assigned the default category, which is uncategorized in this instance. Let's now see the effects of what we did. You can see now that our post now has the domain name category. So that's how you add categories to your blog post and assign a post to a category. You can delete a category from the Add New Category page. You can delete a category from the Add New Category page by clicking the Delete option under a listed category to the right of the form. And you can observe that the category has been deleted. Congratulations! You've now learned how to add post categories to WordPress blog and how to assign posts to them. You also learned how to delete categories from your blog. The next thing you should do is practice and master your new knowledge. Adding and removing categories is an important task to an online business. Thank you for watching.